Do you know what separates ordinary people from extraordinary achievers? It's not luck. It's not even money. It's the power of imagination. Napoleon Hill in Think and Grow Rich explains, every great invention, every business, every fortune started as an idea in someone's imagination. Think about Thomas Edison. He imagined light at a time when the world lived in darkness. People laughed at him, but his imagination created the electric bulb. Or Henry Ford, he imagined affordable cars for ordinary people, and today the automobile industry exists because of his dream. Imagination has two forms. 1. Synthetic imagination, where you combine old ideas into something new. 2. Creative imagination, where brand new ideas come as inspiration from your subconscious. Napoleon Hill says, to become rich and successful, you must use both. Every day, take a few minutes to visualize your dream clearly. Write it down, picture it, feel it. The stronger your imagination, the faster it attracts reality. Remember, imagination is the workshop where all success is built. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Backhand index pointing right. If this inspired you, hit like. Speech Alone, tell me in the comments, what's the biggest dream you're imagining? Upright arrow, share this with your friends who need motivation. Bell and subscribe for more wisdom from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich.